everybody, good morning. Welcome to back my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Thapa. I am a student of the SAS Institute of Study MA first year. Today the topic of my presentation is like characteristic of the HRM and the job analysis. The subject is like the HRM is like human resource management. The profession by the Rohit Thakur man. So HRM means like the human resource management. So meaning of the human resource management, basically the human resource is like mean collection of the people and the characteristic at the work. These are the distinctive and the unique of the organization in several ways. The human resource management like definition, basically like the human resource are the whole consisting, interrelated, interdependent and interactive physiological, sociological, ethical and components. So what is the HRM? Basically human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing, controlling of the procurement, development, compositions, integration, maintenance and separation. So human resource management is the end, the individual like organization and the social objective like accomplishment. The characteristics of the human resource management. This is the first category like the art and science. The art and science of the HR Indian the very complex. HR are the both the art and managing people the requires and the creative and the innovative to the approaches and the science will have because the precision and the requires like application theory that required. Second category like the pervasive. For example, like the development HR, the covers all the level and all the category of the people and the management and the operation staff. No discrimination the made between the any level of the categories is like all these are the manager have to the perform HRM. Third category is like the continued process. Basically the first and the process they have the number of function to be the performed in the series. The beginning with the human resource planning to the recruitment. The fourth category like the human resource management like the function. So basically HR is not the profit center like service all the other function the department, but they are the basic responsibility always the live and the lines manager. Fifth category is like the HRM the regulation friendly. So their HRM function has to the discharge and the manners that the legal detective are the not the violate. Sixth category like the interdisciplinary and the fast changing. It is the accomplishment, the welfare, the manpower, the personal, the management, and the keep close the association with the employee and the industry relations. Seventh category like the focus on the result. Basically, HR the perform is the oriented. It has the focus on result rather than the on roles. It is a encourage and the people give their 100%. What is job analysis? Job analysis the process of the gathering information about the job. It is a be more specific the systematic investigation of the task, duty and responsibility the necessary to do the job, especially the what the workers does and how it gets the done, why he does still education and training require relationship to the other job, physical demand, environmental condition, etc. So job analysis the formal and the details examination of the job. It is like the procedure is the through which can determine the duty and the skill requirement of the job and the kind of the person who should be the heard for the it. It is including a job description and job specification. Job analysis collect the following information. Basically information about the actual work activity, information about the machine, tools, equipments, requirement, information about the job performance and standard, information regarding to the job context, information regarding the job human recruitment. Use of the job analysis. Basically first point like human resource planning is like job analysis help to the forecasting human resource requirement term of the knowledge and skills. Second point is like recruitments. So job analysis the use the find out of and the when hire people for future job opening. Third point like the selection. Without proper understanding who what to be done on the job is not the possible to select the right person. Fourth point is like training. There is no proper job analysis will lead to confuse and the proper training cannot be initiated. Fifth point is like counseling. The manager will be given the position to the considering employee about their the career when they are understanding the different job and the organization. Sixth point like the employee safety. Basically a job analysis will the including the unsafe and condition the associated with the job. 7 point is like performance appraisal. So only the on the proper job analysis the being the made available will be it the possible to the access or the compare individuals. 8 point like job design and redesign. Basically one of the job are the understanding it properly. It is a very to locate and wake and sport like under the remedial steps. Nature of the job analyze. Basically nature of job analyze, the main important point like the like job task, job duties and job responsibility. This is the main point of the nature of job analyze. Process of the job analyze, given the 5 points, the example like the process of job analyze. The first point is like the organization analyze, second point the selection the representative positional to analyze, third point is like the collection job analyze data, fourth point is like the preparation job description, and fifth point like the preparation of the job specification. Process of the job analyze, basically the organization analyze, it is necessary to first have the overall the picture the various and job in organization. Selection of the representative the position to be the analyzed. It is not possible to analyze the job is a representative sample of the job can be the selective the analyze and keeping and mind time and cost constant. Like collection of the job and data is like basically the step that involve the collection of the data on the is characteristic of the job, require the behavior and person qualification to needed to the carry out of the job effectively. Like preparation job description is like the step that involve the descriptive in the containing of the job term is a function, duty, responsibility and the operation etc. Method of the collecting job analysis data, basically the job performance. The job performance analysis is actually the perform to the job like the question this has given him and her the first hand the information of the job term is a physical in effort, the hazards, the emotion, the pressures and the social demand and the mental requirement. So observation the method, basically a job is analyzed the technical the where data at the gathering the while watching the employee work. So critical incident technique basically is like CIT is a qualitative approach to the job analysis which have the use and obtain, and the separate like the I description of the work and the incident like can be the dismeasures. So individual interview method, basically the meeting with the employee to the determine what he her and job like entails like what is the process time the consuming. Group interview method, basically the meeting with a number of the employee and collectively determine the how the job entails. Technical conference method, basically a job analysis is a technique that involves the extensive input from the employee the supervision. This method is does not allow the having the employee the perception of the task. Daily method, basically require employee record the daily activity, but they had a process the very extensive with a numbered day observation to be the taken into the account, making the process expensive. Structured questionnaire method, basically the worker has given the well structure is a questionnaire with they have the check and the rate from the long list of the possible tasks at time. Source of the analyzed information, from the employee who they actually perform a job, from the supervision who can the watch the worker while the doing a job, from the trade job analyze who are the specially the appointment to watch employee the perform a job. Conclusion, basically from the job analysis specifically the detail of the what is a being done and the skill the utilize the job are obtained. So job analysis basically like the enable to managers to understanding jobs and job, the structure to improve work flow or development techniques to improve the productivity. Thank you so much guys, you are the listen to my presentation and watching to my video.